Hello everybody, it is Honeycomb Coo here, and today I'm in Royale High and I'm going to be dressing up as my OCs. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn that on that notification bell so you never miss one of my uploads. Now, let's get into it. So I'm first going to start with Akari. I'm surprised that worked. Okay, Akari has really long, pretty, flowing hair. And it's normally it's either down or in a ponytail. And I need that long thing, like a long style. Okay. Very tomboy-like. This is kind of close to a gotcha hairstyle. It's called Genie in a Bottle. I don't like it. This one works. Yep, I like it. Okay, we're going to go to the purple one. I know the perfect one. It's called the Shadow Empress. There. Let's just change my skin tone to Akari skin tone. That ain't Akari skin tone. That's close. Okie dokie. I'm gonna give her the schoolgirl outfit. Oh, that's not her style. That works. I'm gonna give her some boots. Actually, no. Give her some brown boots. There we go. And some silver buttons. There we go. That's cute. Now, I think I have rat ears. Yeah, I have rat ears. Well, sorry, Akari. You're gonna have some rat ears. I feel bad. Okay. Oh, ow. That hurt. And I have the fluffy tail, so boom. Yay! So, I would say Akari's up and done, but, no, nobody cares. I don't know. Oh, this is what she's missing. There we go. It's not colored properly. Yeah. Oh my god. That was a beautiful sound. And Akari is done. Okay, so what do you guys think of Akari? Do you think I should tweak her or anything like that? Well, too bad. I love how I just don't care. Alright, next, I'm going to do Ace. Ace is the sweet half demon, which I kind of made very fancy. She's actually made after one of my best friends. I'm not mentioning any names, okay? I love how most of my friends' avatar names begin with A. Most of them, anyway. So Ace has long-ish hair. I'm gonna get rid of this wavy mermaid hair. I'm not gonna add the item because I don't feel like it. Okay, fight me. This is a hair color? I'm so dumb. I'm trying to find like a Who is this? Do you mind? Do you mind? Who is you? Hold up. Who is you? Why are you interrupting? Why are you interrupting my video? Rude. That's it. Wait, oh. He said, wait a minute. Okay, this guy wants to say his glitch. His name is Sonic the Hedgehog. Are you Sonic the Hedgehog, my dude? My dude. Are you Sonic? I am shook it. I love how I just ignore him. Ignored! Okay, just moonwalk in window and a double jump, then you can glitch through houses. Oh, that's cool. I think I might try that out. I'm gonna do, okay, no. That's not Ace. Bright red. Bright red will have to do for now. Wait, oh, okay, this is closer. No, no, no. That's closer. Okay. No, since Ace is kind of fancy, we're gonna give her why is this pink? You know, like, I want it red. Okay, there we go. Okay, now here's a little hack. Either use a sleeveless top or just a bathing suit. Now, I'm gonna give her... I'm gonna give her the pleated skirt. And make it completely white. Boop. And I want to give her a little back bow. There we go. Okay. I want to give her these. Because why not? Not like that. Dang it! Now I'm sad. Oh, that's cute. Sort of. Nah, we're not gonna do these ones. How about we just do the action booties like we always do? Because then I can add a certain something that I like to add. I'm very specific. These studded rose garters. I love these. I use them in almost every outfit I make. Okie dokie. Yeah. And I have... Guess what I have? I have a top hat! This works out perfectly. And we're just gonna make it... Oh. Do you mind becoming red for me? Thank you. Now, since Ace is half demon, I don't have any demon things. Like, should I buy some wings? Nah. I'm just gonna go like that, you know? Because why not? You did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though? These will simulate her demon horns. That doesn't work. Dying internally. Trying to find something cute that she would wear. I guess this could simulate a pearl necklace. Yeah. Okay, and here's Ace. What do you guys think of her? I think she was a train wreck. I personally don't like how she came out, but, you know, some attributes are cute. Okay. Next one. Next we are doing Candy, which my friend, who Banana Bread Queen is, she's tried recreating her, but she doesn't have certain things that she needs. But I do. So Candy normally has a ponytail. So I'm gonna give her this buttercup high ponytail. We gonna need some bangs. Let's do these ones. That's cute. In my opinion. Hold up. How does that look from her profile? Oh god. It's like meow. It like separated from the body. That's cuter. I like that one better. Better than just the bangs going meow. Okay, now we need... Okay, we're in the blonde section. No, we're not. I'm intelligent. So she has this sort of like, oh god. Oh, this one. This seems more like her hair than any other thing. It got the teal tip. That works. Oh god, I only have 5 minutes left on this video. We'll have to continue it later. Oh goodness. Okay, we need the ears again. Need the sand beachy color. Ew. I hate that. I hate it. Ugh. Oh wait, there's a yellow for a reason. Why? Why won't you turn blonde? Wait, I have an infinite color palette. Why am I so dumb? There we go. That's more accurate. That's more accurate. Fudge. Ooh, that's accurate. I like it. Ow! I hurt myself. I'll make the ends like pink, because why not? Yeah, go back. No! I'm getting so triggered. There we go. Okay, we need to give her her fluffy tail. Me struggling to find things. Boop. Ah! Did it delete it? Rude. Either that or I just didn't save it. I probably just didn't save it. There we go. Maybe I'm not being dumb anymore. That's why I'm always being dumb. Okay. She would normally wear something blue. Something like this. Like, that's cute. Nothing like this! This is like something Ace would wear. That's cute. I'm gonna run out of time on the video. Why is this only like American stuff? I mean, I like America, but I don't want it all over my options. Okay, we're definitely using the pleated skirt for this one. No. I want to go to my design palette. Okay. We're gonna like erase the Does that make sense? Erase it. With this. Me regretting life choices. Oh, you know, this kind of matches it. I think that's cute. Okay. I don't care if it doesn't match. I don't care. Okay, now Candy is normally seen wearing boots. Half the time. So I'm gonna give her some boots. I'm just lazy, so I'm just giving blue eyes, because I'm lazy. Oh god. What should I give her? Some glasses? That's adorable. Candy with a K. Ooh, I should give her a beanie. Yes. This is so her. She loves beanies. Or not beanies, hoodies, but close enough. And this is Candy. What do you guys think? Anyway, I'm gonna end that here for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you did, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!